If you want to clone WhatsApp on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, then in that case, of course, first we need to have WhatsApp installed on our phone. If you don't have it yet, you can use the Play Store and search for WhatsApp Messenger in there. Next, we're gonna open the security app. There we go. In the security app, we can scroll down a little bit to find common features section, and you might be able to find the dual apps option. If not, then just scroll all the way down and swipe up to open this toolbox. And then here we have the dual apps option, so we can select it. You can probably find WhatsApp in the recommended section, so you can go ahead and select it. And then we have the dual apps option, so tap on the switcher to create the duplicated version. We also have some additional options below over there. And if not in recommended, then you will definitely find it in dual apps support, so you can just tap on the switcher on the right side. And there we go. You should be able to find the cloned version on the home screen and also in the app drawer, if not on the home screen. Subscribe to my channel.